Hello there folks, welcome back to my YouTube channel, a place where I discuss different topics like, well, in this case video game development, more like design because I'm redesigning the maps, and as I've stated in the previous video, the second floor of my Shizuoka University of Art and Culture, well, this is my own version of it, okay, it's not something I've never been in there. I don't know how it looks like, but well, this is what I came up with, and honestly, I can say that it only looks better and better. So let's actually dive extra into it. And as I've been saying, my crusade is to make literally every bit of wall and nook and cranny be, you know, capable of, being walkable behind. Okay, so the player has so much free space to maneuver around. Okay, let's actually delete these beds because, I don't like their design. It's not that they're bad, but they look more like hospital beds. So I did a bit of extra work in the meantime. Right, so let's see. We need some extra markers to present certain things. Well, actually, no, I don't need a marker in there. Okay, so now this place is gonna be representative of something. The AI, in order to design it, it will have certain rule sets that it will follow. So I will need all sorts of markers like this to remind me later in the game certain things to handle. Okay, so now let's see. Now I've got a bed in here. The beds were okay. I really wouldn't mind another bed, I would say, in here. Let's use an A tile in here so that I delete that. Um, let's A tile delete this one as well, and also this one as well, so that I can recreate what I need. So I chose the white tiles. Okay, the white walls will be one and mm, actually, what if I actually do one in here, and I add an extra window because the more visibility, the better, and it also looks nice instead of having just blank walls with literally no vision outside. I don't want the player to imagine that they are in this world where there is no how to put it no vision, no nothing outside. Okay, it's like definitely kind of a hellish vision for me. Okay, in which there is no vision outside, you cannot see outside. Is basically you're like sitting in a box. Okay, all right. So let's see. Where the heck? Okay, so there's definitely something else in here, okay? Let's... I don't know exactly what that could be in there, but one thing I know for sure is that this is gonna be... let's see, what was it? How long was it? Okay, it was still there, so... Um, I need to delete this and this, and we need to make the entrance in here. Region restrict is gonna be 1. Okay. Now we see this is not gonna be any region restrict. This is not gonna be a region restrict. Okay. So let's see. We have the. Shouldn't I be putting a fridge in here or something? Okay, let's actually put this bookcase in here. Okay. So this area must be delimited so that I know that this is gonna be a different region in which I um, organize the AI. Okay, I will teach the AI to learn to be able to do certain things, better said, um, and well, behave based on the region they are in and on the active events that there will be. So let's see. Uh, this one? No, which one was this? Like, where do I actually pull these tiles? Is like, hmm. Okay, let's delete this. Let's actually replace it with something. I don't know. Should I put a fridge? But you don't put a fridge at the entrance in the room, I bet. And let's see. A theater club. Okay. A theater club room is there. So what else can we actually put in there? Some lockers, more books. Let's actually put more books. They never hurt. Alright, so now that we have this, I made some compartments in here because this part is probably gonna be noisier. So, people who wanna sleep, they can actually do so in here. Alright, so let's see. Hmm. Okay, so we have some cases in here. Okay, this one as well. And here, of course, you can have a bench, after which you're gonna have, well, actually, the table in here. Should I put a little flower, although this is a half tile? So if it's a half tile, it's not gonna look nice on the table. I'm sure of it, unless I put it there. And there is one, two, three. Oh, there's already three of those. All right. And I have to delete the old carpet because the old carpet, this one was orange, and well, it's still in many places it still is. So let's see. There are many of these tiles which have that orange, this orange tile below because there is no other A tile on them to replace it. So, they take a little bit of bites in the, map tile. What can I call it? Oh yes, map tile, the maps itself in the data folder. Okay, so the student dorm should kind of be filled. Let's see, should I actually start Sakan and uh, this? I do have a student dorm. Gakusei Ryo, okay. So we have to draw this one. Okay, if we have to draw this one, let's see. How do we draw this one? New school layout, of course. And we're gonna go to the tiles that we have drawn. We're gonna make this one bigger. And I don't know, let's make it an orange background. Okay, so now that we are going to have an orange background, um, let's actually make this an orange background so that we kind of um, okay, let's see, orange background. Okay, so that we can easily change the color from time to time, and we can now easily write what's needed. Okay, so now as a student dorm we actually have to depict that these beautiful three kanji, we have to draw them. And well, if it's about drawing them, what should we do them? Let's try a white, okay? And let's say we have, okay, let's think. We should have enough space here, here, and this one looks a bit more hideous. This one should be here. Now, let's actually start with this one, because this one is actually more hideous. I mean, not hideous, but it's actually big. So let's actually do it like this. Okay, we have this. All right, let's see. So This I think is a Hito, and then let me guess. Yes, it's a little Hito. So I'm guessing um, it's this line in here, and then it should come something like this. Okay. Now that it came something like this, we have this one here that comes like this. Okay, let's do it here like it. Okay. All right. And then let's do let's see. Does it actually look like that? Because I doubt. Well, on the contrary, it actually does. Uh, so let's see. We leave it like this. Um, delete these two lines. And we are gonna um, hmm, wait a bit. Okay, my mother came a bit to me. Okay, so let's see. As a kanji, we need to do this, and then we need to do, uh, I don't know. Let's actually make this one extra tile in here because I really don't care about its height that much. And well, it doesn't perfectly resemble it, but at least it does look like it. Okay, so then we have this. Okay, need to take this one. Well, I need to make this one quite big now so that it, resembles the other one. Let's do this like this. And then the other one is gonna be, yes, like this. And we have something, I'd say like this. It kind of looks like it. Okay. When you look, I've also learned one thing. When you draw these kanji, they will probably look hideous. Yes, the ego will always try to pull you down, but you don't have to look at the thing as being that hideous because, when you draw it in pixels, it's always gonna look, a bit funny because these are kind of rounded lines and, it's like trying to draw spheres in Minecraft, when everything is so roughly shaped. It's not the easiest thing, right? So this one needs to go till here, I can say. Let's put it this one more and something like this. Because the line in here starts like this. Uh, should we leave it like this? Is it too close? Okay, leave it like this. Okay, and then I'm gonna do something like this, okay? So if I delete, oh wait, deleted the wrong line. Okay, uh, I think this should be a bit more appropriate. Let's see, maybe like this. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's actually equal now. Okay, I nailed the equality. So let's see. Okay, I gotta go get something from down, so I'll be back in 1 or 2 minutes. Excuse me. Okay, folks, is this thing still on? Oh, yes. Okay, folks, so I'm still back. Okay, let's actually finish this. I had to take a package. I've been waiting for it for a while. I will be opening a bit later. Let's see what is exactly, what should this exactly be? Uh, Amazon, I think. I don't know. Like I've made quite a lot of I've bought quite a lot of things. Oh, as I expected, it's the Kamigami barrels. Oh yes, it's the Kamigami barrels and the oh, the terrifying girl disorder. Oh, okay. Yes, I can say time's actually been passing quite fast because like, and strangely they actually said it would come on the 3rd of December, which actually makes them quite pretty much accurate. It's like, okay, uh that's quite a that's quite a lot of accuracy, I can say. Okay, let's see. Can we actually make a ga? Okay, let's say this should be like this. Let's actually change the color for these because mm, let's say but I don't have enough space, I think. So let's see, it's Gaku Se Ryo. Okay. Uh, Ku is not hard to make. Uh, should be something like this. Let's actually remove this and I don't know, should we make it something like this? No. I'll leave it like this. Uh, so, nope. Still like this. Okay. Gakuse, let's see. Uh, Se was it something? Wait, something like this. Then something, if I remember correctly, I ain't practiced my Japanese in so long. Okay, so it should be something like this, right? I, Gakse, and then Ri, Yo. Okay. Uh, oh wait, I did hiragana. Uh, okay, if I did the hiragana, I need okay, this one. So this should be Ri, and I forgot the what was it called? Hiragana chart. I forgot the yo. I ain't I ain't done my Japanese in such a long time. I also have a come on, 21st century hiragana chart. Can I actually find a picture that is big enough for my resolution so I can actually I also stay 3 meters, like 3 meters away from the computer. So, it's like I actually need to make the giraffe neck. Okay, so let's see. Yo. So, wa, ro. No, it's ru. Mo. Hiragana. Yo. Let's write it like this. Okay. Dumb, dumb. Uh, you know what? Let's actually remove this. And let's actually make it somewhere here, okay, because we have enough space. We're not pressed for space, but in here I have enough space to do this. Okay. I mean, yeah, sure, it doesn't necessarily look like a yaw. Why do you like this? Okay, and now I have to also write um, what contrasting color could I use? Let's use a dark green maybe. And let's see, we have um, can I do an S on 3? Let's see, S T U D E N T. Okay, and then we have D O R, and there's not enough space. Okay, definitely not enough space. So we need to make the crunched letter style. And the crunched letter style is letters that are as painfully small as possible. Something like um, hmm, okay, let's actually make it like this. Um, hmm, no, yellow is not gonna be easily seen. This color, I think it can be seen. If it's like this, yeah, I think one can see. Okay, so let's see this color. Okay, so we have student. Okay, stu. Okay. No, let's actually preserve them like this. Okay, let's see student. Okay, and we have again T. Okay, now there's too much space. Really now? Perhaps I can push this a bit. Okay, so let's actually you know delete this because I now am sure I have enough free space so that I can start. Let's actually try again. So we have stu stu student. And do I have enough space maybe? Let's hope so. All right. Nope, we don't have enough space. Honestly, this thing really sucks. Hmm. Again, we need to delete the stuff. One again and C. Okay, we need to. What this one is? Red. Okay. Now I can make the letters a bit bigger, honestly. Let's make this D, for example. Uh, no, it's not correct. Uh, Something like this. Okay. Now we have E. Now we have N. Wait, N. Student. Okay, and now we have dorm. Wait, nope, alright, nope, nope. So we have, nope, nope, I still don't have enough space. Still not enough space, oh my gosh, really now. Alright, let's see. Nope. And the M is gonna be annoying because this one actually needs a lot of space. So I actually have enough space for that. Good. But it just needs to be pushed one tile back. Okay. So we have an R. Okay. And we need to delete this. Okay, so now we have bang, 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 and we have red in here. Okay. Woo! Okay, student dorm. Although I could have written it here, but nah, leave it like this. Okay. So guess what? We're gonna export it on the new school layout. It was D. Yep, it was D. Um, where was I intending to put this? Okay, I don't think I need these. Okay, so let me actually. Nope, I don't need this. So it's Visus Stella interior D. Visus Stella interior D mod. Okay, good. Now let's see. Okay, so it's also correct. Good. We can close this for now because I'm not interested in this anymore. Okay, let's head back into the game and let's see where we put our most beautiful new tile. First of all, supposing we find it. This one? Nope, this one is the one with the principal. This one, I think. Okay, cool. Uh, Here I can actually put the one that I have. Okay, this one. I can't miss it. Like honestly, I didn't make it I didn't make it feng shui for nothing, because I think that's the original Chinese pronunciation. All right, let's see. Okay, now there is a little last detail. How can someone hang something in here if there's a bin? All right, so this one should be it. Okay, let's actually save because I've added quite a bit. And well, I'm still interested in doing several videos on spirituality so that I can also, upload them. Data, replace, and on the external hard drive. I also have other places where I put it, but for now I won't bother too much. Okay, so let's see what else we have to do. Well, Goxi Ryo, it's actually, I can say it's actually finished. I also compartmentalized it. Um, okay, let's see. Can I actually change anything in here? Because I don't like how it looks. Well, yes, of course, I can actually change stuff in here. And what I can actually change is I can actually put the window in here as well and in here as well. And in here I can actually put um, this, or let's see, should I actually go for this? It looks hideous. This? No, it looks hideous. Leave it like this. Okay, and one extra thing. Uh, Region restriction. Well, yeah, why not? Just to be sure. I kind of over exaggerate at times, but just to be sure. All in the name of certainty. hmm All these being said, let's actually go a bit. Okay, if we are to actually go up, should I use any of these tiles? Okay, I actually spend a lot of time adding. Okay, so let's see. This tile is gonna be here. Now the entrance to the theater, of course, it has to be, a bit more monumental, I can say. Uh, should I add something like this? Why not? Okay, and now we're gonna put this and this. Okay, let's see F9. I'm curious about the tile sets in New School Layout D. Okay, so basically this one should be movable behind, and this one is not movable behind. Well, now it is. Or wait, should characters actually be capable of moving behind of this? It kind of doesn't show a need to, honestly. Yeah, I'll leave it like this. I'll have to test on this, and to test this I have to basically reformat the whole map. Like, have to take the characters into account and put their missing pictures back because I changed their okay, so we have, should I put that there or should I actually put it in here? I think it's, as a sign, it should be much easier to be in here, and here it's much better to have this, nope, this most magnificent light. Now let's see, should I actually do any change in here? Well, of course, there's hideousness to be changed, and this hideousness needs to be changed, as I said. In order to change this, we need to, uh, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? So if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, it means automatically that, what did I choose? I don't like that color. Okay, let's see. I think I'll go still for this one with a window, and of course something like this. Um, let's see, what do we have in here? Um, we have the magnificent lights again. Then we um, theater club. Okay, that's mandatory to be known. and something like this. Now we need to delete the tiles in here. Wait, not quite. Use this and use this. Then region restriction has already been applied, except this area which I want the player to be able to move around. And then if I really want that plant to stay there, I need to put the upper part of it also, but it's page D in here. Alright, so let's see. F9, page E. The windows are all capable of seeing behind them. And let me guess, these are the windows like this. Okay, so what I have to do is delete these and replace them with these. I think it's gonna be this with this, and I really don't know which of these it was. Something like this? Nope. This? Ooh, it actually looks perfect. Good, let's see. So let's see that part, how the player can interact with it, how the player can actually move behind it. Let this actually not be movable through, because I don't... Okay. This doesn't need to be... The player won't need to be moving through here. And at the same time, let's mark it like this so that I remember in the future that it is not walkable. So theater club members will come here to, look in the mirror and, you know, change their looks, apply makeup and the such. I might actually throw in these three little beautiful chairs, which, and the room kind of begs me to do this, literally, except this part, which will remain in here, because this will actually, leans against a wall. Um, this has to be removed. And let's see. Let's save for now. Let's save for now and do another backup, because you never know when it fails, and I really don't want to do these things 10 times in a row if possible. Okay. Good, let's see. So now we are going to replace these things like this. Go in here and put back this. I think the machine part was in here. Theoretically, this would be representative of the server. This black thingy. Oh wait, here. And those two were in here somewhere. Like when I needed those, I couldn't find them. Then I found them accidentally when I didn't need them, and now I'm sure I'm not gonna easily find them again. If I'm still here, let's actually put some entrances in here so that they actually look a bit more realistic, let's say. Okay. Where the heck did I put those? Like literally now. Oh, you're right, of course. They were in this style, which I never, well, I modified very little. Okay, so now that this is in here, okay, this area needs to be marked in a certain way. Let's see. I should restrict the player from coming here, though. And also, like this part. Now what I did, I actually want an extra space in here. Good. Now, okay. Good. Now I'm actually making a bit of progress. Now, what I need to change in here, okay, this kind of, oh, this is bad, this is real bad. Okay, so this and this. Wait. Should I put them like this? And then I need to remake the event that I have, because in the event the characters come here, they turn upwards, and then they move one tile back to actually take a sit on here. It's actually a bit better with the table, I can say honestly. Ah, decisions, decisions. Hmm. Yeah, just leave it like this for now. Okay. Oh, it actually looks awkward. Um, and let's actually delete these, because I really don't know if they'd be serving any purpose. And I can simply put a set of lockers in here, and I can put some set of lockers in here. Should there be so many though? Hmm. No, let's actually leave just less. Um, it's actually gonna be much better if I delete this and let it be like this for now. Mainly because there are a lot of students. Okay, there are a lot of these um, students. Okay, the theater club is one of the biggest clubs in my university. For now, it has around 20 students. So um, if I am to put this into account, well, that's gonna mean there's gonna be a lot of people. So honestly, I don't like this place. It looks way too cramped in a way. So I'm not gonna need that anymore. Let's actually put some of these beautiful uh, tiles. I think these belong to Kokoro. At least they look a bit better in a way. Like these, the beauty of these, kind of make these a bit pale, but it doesn't matter. Okay, let's actually delete these and let's actually put them in here. There has to be some distance though. Why not? Not because social distancing, but okay. And this, wait, what? Okay. All right. Should I put some windows in here? Just for the lols. Just for the lols. Oh, I can definitely do that. I can actually put them here and here. And let's see. I can actually delete these and see. I'm gonna put some benches. Um, Now I'm gonna put some extra benches in here. All right. Wait. Let's see. What else can I actually put in here? I can put two of these. We already have vending machines. Um, all right. Let's actually change a bit here and here, and then we add. Nope. Just add 1, 2, 1, 2. All right. Let's say. Well, we can actually put this back in here because it's not looking too great. So let's see. As a last aspect, before I wrap this video up, I don't want to, spend too much time, too long doing things, and I also feel like I kind of need a break. Hmm. What else can I actually put in here? An extra bench? Nah, there's gonna be too many of those, and I don't want these to be, like extra close one to the other. So I really don't know. I think this should be a completely different region. I don't know. Let's actually, okay, mark it as a different sector. So if this is gonna be a different sector, then uh, hmm, oh, let's add them like this so that the player has the impression that there is at least a bit of space from here, although the player can safely move behind the walls because I've set the region restrict. Let it be uniform. Okay. No, this definitely doesn't need the tables. And no, I'm not gonna keep the tables though. Honestly, it's just some chairs the characters sit on, and basically that's gonna be it. At least I tried with the table, but it doesn't appeal to my liking, and I don't want to cause any further change to that event. So let's see. All these being said, well, I'll see if I change things even further. All these being said, hopefully you like the type of content that I'm creating. Feel free to like and subscribe. And, well, I'll see you in the next video. Ferenjan Board signing out.